Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Loom for trimming meeting videos, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in loom.com and press enter. Once the Loom homepage loads, look for the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. You will be directed to a login page. Here, enter your email address associated with your Loom account. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. Check your email inbox for a verification link from Loom. Open the email and click on the link to verify your account. You will be redirected back to Loom in your browser. Now, enter your password in the designated field. If you have forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link to reset it. After entering your password, click on Login. Once logged in, you will see your Loom dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the video you want to trim. Click on the video thumbnail to open it. On the right side of the video player, find the Edit button. Click on the Edit button to access the trimming tools. Adjust the sliders to set your desired start and end points for trimming. Preview your changes to ensure they meet your needs. When satisfied with the edits, click on the Save Changes button. Your video will now be trimmed as per your adjustments. You can share the trimmed video directly from your Loom dashboard. That's it. You've successfully logged into Loom and trimmed your meeting video. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.